Guys, so this is the look that we're gonna be doing today. This is for the World Cup 2018 Colombia. So I hope you guys really like it and keep on watching. So I just primed my eyelids and now I'm gonna go with Stark and put it all over the lid just so it can be a nice base. The second color is Huda Beauty from the Electric Obsession palette. So this yellow color I want it all over the crease, on the top of the crease as well, because we're gonna cut crease it later. So, and you can pack it on as much as you want until you have the color that you want. Blend, because that's the trick here. You blend. Okay, so I put it all over the crease and on top of that. Okay, so we're gonna cut crease this, and I really hope I don't block you guys. Now we're gonna put that second color. So we're gonna put that blue right here. I know it's a little tricky with the cut crease, but just pack it on lightly and then you can blend it out. And take your time too. You don't have to be super quick about it. Blend the edge out just so it's not that harsh. Before I go into the red color, I'm going to take Danger, that dark blue color from the Urban Decay Gwen Stefani palette, and put it on the edge right here because it's a little bit darker than the one I have on my lip. On my lid, sorry, lip. On my lid. And we're just gonna put it right there, just so it could darken it up a little bit. We're gonna go with the red color that goes in the edge, which is from the Huda Beauty Electric Obsession palette. Lightly pat it in there. So, to change that color up, because it's a little bit of a cranberry color, we're gonna go with from the Modern Renaissance palette, Red Ochre and Mediterranean Red, and that cranberry pink look, and to make it a true red. The Colombian flag. The red is the blood. Because the initial red that I put on was too berry and pinky-like. It wasn't a red, so it didn't really match the Colombian flag. Now that we have those three colors done, we're going to blend, just so the three colors don't look so messy. I'm reapplying every single color again, just so it looks vibrant. So now I'm gonna put the yellow under my eye. Now we're gonna put that blue in the middle. We're gonna put that red in the inner corner, just so it could match the top part and blend together. I'm gonna put more of that blue right under here, just so I can blend it out a little bit more, because it's disappearing within the red. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the BECCA Jacklyn Hill palette, and I'm gonna put this on the inner corner. Corners, just so it makes it a little bit shiny. And I'm also gonna put it right here underneath the brow. Just so it is highlighted. And remember to blend. Remember to blend the highlight and the top color together as well, just so it doesn't look like two colors are just randomly there. I'm gonna highlight right there. the same color that I put here. Okay, and then take off any excess powder underneath the eye. And now I'm gonna go do my lashes and then we'll be done. I'll show you the final look. So this is the final look. I hope you guys like it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. My friend was telling me that we're gonna lose, and this is for you, Fidel, so you can see that we're gonna win.
Get
some cereal and then go to shower.
Oh, bye-bye. Okay.